Have I got a treat for you? We are standing inside a 2018 Airstream Atlas. Now this is their brand new B+. It's a C, but they market it as a B+. And this particular van that we're in is really hard to find. In fact, this is the only one that I could find on the entirety of Northern California. So I'm really privileged to be in here. And the dealer that I'm at, I'll put the dealer's name up. They were very nice to let me into it and to do this video. Now, this is, as I understand it, this is a over $200,000, I think it might be $250,000 RV, but it's really spectacular when you're inside. It looks very much like the Airstream brand. So you have the very nice high gloss wood, you have the stainless steel ceiling that you see above us, you have this beautiful stainless steel trim here. Over here along the driver's side wall is your beautiful ultra leather couch, and what happens is this is a slide out. This is actually a slide out, and it will slide out this way a good 1.5 feet, and then this couch electronically folds down, and from this wall a Murphy bed comes down. So we've seen this similar design from Leisure Travel, and we've seen a similar design from Pleasure-way. And it works really, really well. So when it's up like this, you have a really nice lounge. You have a television here, which will pop up automatically and then retract back down to get out of the way, and then it converts into a bedroom. This is a really, really special van. It's really incredible looking. We take a look inside here. These cabinet doors have a really nice feel. They are, as you can see here, there's a hook, so they do have a latching system here. A nice click and a nice close. Here we are in the galley of the Atlas, and I like the design. We have the Corian countertop, we have a 2-burner cooktop here. Lots and lots of storage. Look at this, you have a little place for your sponges, then you have all these drawers down here, and down here. You even have, I like the fact that they put a trash can in the kitchen. There's oftentimes not a place for a trash can. Now when you see this panel means that they have multiplex wiring, which you would expect in a coach like this. You have here this is a compressor type refrigerator, but you have a separate freezer down below, which is really nice. And here you have a convection microwave oven. I like the look of it because it's stainless steel. Convection means that we can grill, we can bake, we can brown in it as well as use the microwave oven. Smartly placed above you fan for venting out the kitchen. That's really nice. And then you have this great pull-out extension here just to give you a little bit more surface area, prep area inside the kitchen. Remember, I talked about this in one of my videos where these need to be positive latching, and I'm telling you this one is. Listen, that's the positive lock. That is in place, and that's going to stay in place. And likewise, when I push it back, that's a positive lock. So this passes my test where this is not going to fly out while you're driving around. I really like the floors in this Atlas. It's a woven pattern, and it just looks a little bit more upscale and residential, and it's very nice to walk on. A couple touches that are very nice inside this van. Look at the little floor lighting down here. Isn't that nice? Just at night, if you're coming out of the bedroom and you're coming back here to the bathroom, just to have that little bit of light is great. Now, I don't know if you can see it, but down here on the couch, there's 2 USB ports, which is smart. So if you've got your phone, they're right there conveniently located right on the couch. I'm liking what I'm seeing here. Well, welcome to the bathroom in the Atlas. This is a beautifully modern bathroom. The first thing that caught my eye was look at the inlaid lighting inside of the shower stall, and then the teak wood paneling where all the controls are inside the shower. Very, very nice looking. Also, the cabinet doors in the bathroom, look how they have a little bit of a textured look, the white cabinet door there above the toilet. Very nice. This is signature. This window here is signature Airstream, and it's nice to see it on the bathroom in here. Suede up here, stainless steel, nice medicine cabinet here. Beautifully done on the inside. Stainless steel sink. And then you have just lots and lots of wardrobe storage here. Isn't that nice? Just lots of wardrobe and storage. Very deep, if you can see back there. And it's cedar. So when you go inside of there, it's like a closet you would get in a residential home with cedar wood panelings in the back. Very nice. Well, I'm really impressed with the Atlas, I have to say. I mean, it is an expensive RV, and you would expect that from Airstream. But stepping inside of one of these things, if you can watch this video in the 360-degree format, I think you'll get a real taste for how spacious and open and beautiful all the details are. I highly recommend that you, if you're looking for a Class B+, and you're looking for one of the top-of-the-line ones, that you come and take a look at the Airstream Atlas. I think it's a great entrant into the Class B+/C market, and this definitely is one of the top B+ on the market, I think. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, I'd love if you became a subscriber. It helps me continue to make great videos. We'll see you again next time on Ultra Mobility, your channel for Class B camper vans.